Oh shit, that lady's knocking at Pedro. Oh shit. Pedro! Come on!
What the
Let's
fuck?
go!
She's coming, you idiot.
She's coming outside, nigga. She's coming outside. Hey, she is coming outside. She's coming outside. She's coming outside. I got the protector's coat for you, lady.
Fucking picture took too long. What a dumbass. What a dumbass nigga. Like, hey, get out of there, boy. Get your ass out of there, boy.
Come dog.
Let's go. Fucking Pedro. Made me stop for nothing. Well, Mario got to go here. Don't do that, boy.
We're gonna go all the way straight, buddy.
Paradise. Shit, I can't wait. I know, Pedro. What the fuck? You took too long, nigga. You could have been done your business and shit. You could have been telling man, it's too late and shit. I'm already fucking shooting. Go-kart arcade.
You got balloons and shit? Mario? You get ready now? Keep going straight, brother.
Stop right here or where?
No, just keep going straight.
Yeah, I know, right? He took too long and shit. You really ain't gonna piss Pedro.
Fucking stop right here, dude.
No. Nigga, you man should have been pissed and shit. Nigga, shit. Alright, I'm gonna pull over, nigga. You better fucking. Nah, I'm gonna pull over. You better fucking piss, Pedro. I'm gonna pull over, nigga. You better
Not
fucking
right
piss, nigga.
Not right here.
Nah, bitch, you better fucking pull
Babe,
over.
no, keep going. Babe.
I know, nigga. If you really had to piss, man, you should have fucking took
That
a
nigga
piss.
was already knocking on the
Oh,
goddamn
man,
window.
So
shit.
you better fucking cross your legs.
Man, you should have flipped your fucking dick at her and shit.
No, he better cross his legs.
Look, Jamaican Beach is right there.
Right here.
Right here? Sunny Beach.
Sunny 99 Pedro, you can take a piss all day, man.
Oh! Let's go catch some. Yeah, nigga, say down for some honey. Let's go honey. Let's go honey.
Just take a pound.
Yeah, look, I could see some from right here. You can straight take them like that?
Sir, just go on up in there.
Hey, what the fuck? Sunny Beach is almost the same as Jamaica Beach.
Sunny Beach is badass.
You know Jamaica Beach though, right? Isn't it right down there and shit? We'll peel out and get stuck.
Yeah, you can put it on and shit.
Don't let the shit work.
Go what, all the way down or where?
Damn, girl!
Fucking little girl and shit. Her
That's
mom
my
like right there.
You're fucking
Her mom looked over here and shit like, hey, you talking to me?
Hey, she's single. Ready to mingle.
I'm still getting in that water. Y'all need to It's cold. Nigga, it's cold, nigga. It's cold. But we gonna get in that bitch, nigga.
It is cold.
You can drive all the way to the tip.
I should reverse this home.
Oh, yeah.
Nah.
Open up the bag and shit. We could all sit down. Reverse that. Fuck yeah, my nigga.
You don't think I'm
Reverse that shit. And we can open up the back and lay the bed down and shit.
The
Calm
bed.
down. We're all gonna cut or
We'll probably get some fucking horchata.
horchata.
It's called
I'll give you some.
Pedro chata.
Pedro chata.
Horchata.
Porchata.
Hey, Pedro, take a piss and shit.
I know, nigga.
Where?
Hey,
Where?
just-
Exactly
where?
where?
Just take it